Okay, Arish, come here. So Arish, today our topic is GK and current affair question. So I am going to ask you some GK questions and you will give the answer. And your first question is, which Indian state has officially declared Kazi Nemu as the state fruit?
My answer is Assam.
Very good. Dishant. Dishant, you will tell me which vitamin help in the clotting of blood.
Vitamin K help in the clotting of blood.
Very good. Now tell me which element is represented by the symbol O.
The symbol O represents oxygen.
Okay, very good. Kaushik. Kaushik, you will tell me who is the new Chief Minister of Delhi.
Rekha Gupta.
Oh, Mrs. Rekha Gupta is the new Chief Minister of Delhi. And who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Yes, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu is the President of India. Hitiksha. Hitiksha, beta, you will tell me which tree gives the most oxygen.
People.
And in which country is the blue rose found?
Japan.
Okay, very good. Now Gunjan. Gunjan, you will tell me it is an evergreen tree with multiple medicine benefits.
Neem.
Tell me capital of West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Okay, go. Nakshita. Nakshita, bete, you will tell me how many continents are there in the world?
7.
Yes. And what is the currency of Japan?
Yen.
Yen. Okay, very good. Now tell me which country has the most number of population in the world?
My answer is India.
Very good. Which is the world largest country according to area?
My answer is Russia.
Okay, very good. Now Rudra to both hai. Karthik. Karthik, you will tell me the highest waterfall of the world.
My answer is Angel.
Yes, Angel waterfall. Now tell me the river is the longest river in the world.
Nile River.
Yes, Nile river. Now Harsh. Harsh, you will tell me in which country did a cyber attack on NINTI DOCO occur?
Japan.
By what percentage has India's greenhouse gas emission declined?
7.93%.
Okay. Now Ritika. Ritika beta, you will tell me 9th Asian Winter Games 2025.
My answer is China.
UPSC chairman of 2025.
Preeti Sudan.
Very good. Gauri. Gauri beta, you will tell me what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Okay. Or who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay. Now Pradyuman. Pradyuman, you will tell me coal mainly contain of.
Carbon.
And what is the SI unit of pressure?
Pascal.
Okay, very good. Okay, Asjad, come here, bete. Asjad, today our topic is GK and current affairs. So I am going to ask some GK questions, okay, and you will give the answer. So Asjad, tell me, who was the youngest Prime Minister of India?
My answer is Rajiv Gandhi.
Yes, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi was the youngest Prime Minister of India. Who is known as Chacha Nehru?
My answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, very good. Now Aradhya, come here. Aradhya, you will tell me, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India?
My answer is Indira Gandhi.
Okay. And who is the first citizen of India?
My answer is President.
Yes, President is also known as the first citizen of India. Yes, Rakshit, come here. Okay, Rakshit, tell me which country is known as the Red Dragon?
China.
Go. Now Ayush. Ayush, you will tell me the wife of Bhim and mother of Ghatotkacha.
Hidamba.
Hidimba. And next question for you. Which is the most renowned and religious dance of India?
Kathakali.
Kathakali. Okay, very good. Now Aditi. Aditi, beta, tell me which is the national game of India?
Hockey.
Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Very good. Vedita. Which is the oldest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
And black crow is the national bird of which country?
Bhutan.
Very good. Tasbia. Beta, who is the current Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
And who is the Chief Minister of UP?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Very good. Raghu. Raghu, when do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti?
2 October.
Which planet in our solar system known as blue planet?
Earth.
Very good. Okay, Duggu, tell me capital of Australia.
Canberra.
Okay. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci was a very famous artist, and his famous creation is Mona Lisa. So Divya, come here. Divya, today our topic is GK and current affairs, and I am going to ask you some GK questions and you will give the answer. So first question is for you. Which cricketer is known as the king of cricket?
Virat Kohli.
Very good. And Hopman Cup is related to which sport?
Tennis.
Good. Now Humira. Humira bete, how many states are there in India?
28.
Now Kashish. Kashish, tell me in which country 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held?
My answer is China.
Okay. And Women's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024?
India.
Okay, good. Now Lakshit. Lakshit, tell me national game of Japan.
Sumo wrestling.
And what has to be broken before you can use it?
Egg.
Very good. Now Aryan. Aryan, tell me first Indian woman PM.
Indira Gandhi.
Or second question is for you. They are two in number and help in breathing.
Lungs.
Okay. Aradhya. Beta, your question is who is the education minister in India?
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Very good. Or who is the CM of Andhra Pradesh?
And Chandrababu Naidu.
Very good. Kaka. Kaka, tell me how much time does sun rays take to reach the earth?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Very good. Arushi. Arushi, who is the title sponsor for IPL 2025?
Tata.
Very good. What is the first color film in India?
Sir, Kishan Kanya 1937.
Very good. Rishabh. Rishabh, tell me which game is our national game?
Hockey.
And second question is national game of Australia.
Cricket.
Good. Piyush. Piyush, which city is known as the Blue City?
Jodhpur.
And where is Spring Temple Buddha located?
China.
Okay, good. Okay, Divakar, come here. So Divakar, today our topic is GK questions, and I am going to ask some GK question for you, and you will give the answer. Your first question is, who was the first Indian to travel in space?
My answer is Rakesh Sharma.
Yes, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel to space. And second question for you, who was popularly known as Netaji?
My answer is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji. Go. Now Shiva. Shiva, bete, tell me where is the green rose found?
My answer is China.
And how many teeth a mosquito have?
My answer is 47.
Okay, go. Dipanshu. Dipanshu, you will tell me Kaziranga National Park located in which state?
My answer is Assam.
Good. And when was National Film Award first presented?
My answer is 1954.
Very good. Now Aryan. Aryan, you will tell me which is the smallest ocean in the world?
My answer is Arctic Ocean.
Yes, Arctic Ocean. And second question is for you. Which is the largest ocean in the world?
My answer is Pacific Ocean.
Very good. Go. Now Yug. Yug, tell me the highest waterfall in the world.
My answer is Angel.
Angel Waterfall. And the river is the longest river in the world.
My answer is Nile.
Okay, good. Okay, Labisha, come here. Labisha, bete, today our topic is GK questions, and I am going to ask some GK question for you. So, which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting?
My answer is vitamin K.
Okay, very good. And which animal breathes through skin?
My answer is frog.
Okay. Now, Ishika. Ishika, please tell me miniature painting belongs to which state of India?
My answer is Rajasthan.
And the IC chip used in computer is made up of which element?
My answer is silicon.
Very good. Shivi. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India?
My answer is Indira Gandhi.
And what is the old name of Mumbai?
My answer is Bombay.
Okay. Kanika. Kanika, please tell me which country has no agriculture?
My answer is Singapore.
And who is the first Indian woman to go to get Nobel Prize?
My answer is Mother Teresa.
Okay. Mother Teresa got the Nobel Prize for the peace and harmony. Now Priya. Priya, tell me which animal has 3 hearts?
My answer is octopus.
And who was the youngest Prime Minister of India?
My answer is Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay. Now Divyanshu. Divyanshu, please tell me what is the capital of France?
My answer is Paris.
Okay. And who was the first defense minister of India?
My answer is Sardar Baldev Singh.
Very good. Now Aksh. The Nanda Devi Park situated in which state?
My answer is Uttarakhand.
Okay. Who invented the watch?
My answer is Peter Hamlin.
Very good. Peter Hamlin invented the watch. Now Lucky. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state?
My answer is Kerala.
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. A method of growing plants without soil.
My answer is hydroponics.
Hydroponics is the method which we can grow the plant without soil. Now Abhi tell me who was the first railway minister of India?
My answer is John Mathai.
Very good. Which is the national heritage animal of India?
My answer is elephant.
Very good. Go. Now Ansh. Ansh, please tell me what is the currency of United States?
My answer is dollar.
Which country is the host of World University Game 2023?
My answer is China.
Okay. Now good. Tarun. Who is the considered as the longest emperor in India?
My answer is Akbar.
And what element makes up most of human body?
My answer is oxygen.
Okay, good. Okay, Gaurav, please come. Gaurav, will you tell me who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal?
My answer is Abhinav Bindra.
Yes, Mr. Abhinav Bindra got the first gold medal in the shooting game. Which is the first digital bank of India?
My answer is ICICI Bank.
Yes, very good.